Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Irsad Suhada and welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered where the first mosque in Islamic history was built? Who built it and what did it look like back then? Today, I will take you through the fascinating history of the Quba Mosque, the first mosque built in the history of Islam. Follow this video until the end to find out interesting facts about this history mosque. The story of the first mosque in Islam cannot be separated from the Prophet Muhammad hijrah from Mecca to Medina in 622 AD or Hijriah. On this challenging hijrah journey, the Prophet Muhammad and his best friend Abu Bakar arrived at a village called Quba, about 5 kilometers south of Medina. They rested there for 4 days before continuing their journey to the center of Medina. During this stay in Quba, the Prophet Muhammad and his companions built a simple place of worship. This is what became known as the Quba Mosque, the first mosque built in Islamic history. The Quran mentioned this mosque in Surah At-Taubah verse 108. What did the Quba Mosque look like when it was first built? Unlike the magnificent mosque we see today, the Quba Mosque was originally very simple. It was built with stones, with a roof of dead palm fronds, and a floor of sand and gravel. The mosque is square with a size of about 26 multiplied by 30 meters. There was no mihrab or imam's place, or minarets or tower as we know it today. Its early architecture reflects the simplicity of Islam at the time, yet it remains functional as a place of worship and center of community activity. Interestingly, the mosque has two Qibla directions. It originally faced Jerusalem, but was later changed to face the Kaabah in Mecca after the renovation that changed the Qibla direction. Over time, the Quba Mosque underwent several renovations and expansions. Khalifah Utsman bin Affan did the first renovation. Later, during the Umayyad and Abbasiyah dynasty, the mosque was expanded and beautified. The Ottoman Sultan Abdul Majid carried out major renovation in 1840, and the biggest renovation took place during the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in the 80s, which turned the mosque into the magnificent building we see today, with 4 minarets and 56 domes. Although the shape has changed, the original location of Quba Mosque has been maintained, preserving this precious historical legacy. This is a brief history of the Quba Mosque, the first mosque in Islamic history. From a simple building built by the hands of the Prophet Muhammad SAW himself to the magnificent mosque we know today. Quba Mosque is not just a physical building, but also a symbol of the beginning of the development of Islam and a center of spirituality that continues to provide inspiration to this day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
رحل الصديق عن الدار في صحبة خير الأبرار رحل الصديق